So the next method is the beat sheet method. It's basically a way of dislodging insects from trees, bushes, or quite thick undergrowth. It's particularly useful for things which aren't too flighty, so you're not going to catch all that many flies or butterflies, but you might get caterpillars, beetles, tree bugs, ants, that sort of thing. And the method essentially relies on you having a large white sheet. You can have sheets a lot bigger than this. We've got kind of a medium-sized sheet for ease of use. And essentially you hold the sheet under a tree or a shrub. You can either get someone to hold it directly under where you're beating, or you just place it on the ground. You can get sheets with frames attached to make it a bit easier too. And then you take a hefty stick, or in this case the end of our sweep net, and you whack the tree or bush vigorously, and you basically watch for the insects to fall down onto your sheet, at which point, because the sheet is white, they should be quite easy to pick up and hopefully identify as well. One thing to note with this method is that obviously insects will be raining down, and not just insects but also potentially things like ticks, so that's something to be slightly aware of. Try not to stand directly under where all the stuff is falling. You can also get little branches and things falling down as well, and also just check yourself after you've been beating, just in case you've managed to pick something up outside of your sheet.